Let me introduce the strategy design pattern, which is one of the powerful patterns. Use a strategy when you need to define a family of algorithms, encapsulate each one, and make them interchangeable. The strategy design pattern allows us to change the strategy dynamically, perhaps based on user preferences or independently. We can do it by adding a method change strategy to the class that implements the strategy pattern. Look at this simple example. We have main payment method, and inside of this method we have two options. And due to the strategy pattern, we are able to change these options dynamically. In addition to this, all these methods are encapsulated. Now it's practice time. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next video, guys.